Hi guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. If today is your first time here, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Give this video a very big thumbs up if it's helpful. And so my old subscribers, thank you for always coming back. So in today's video guys, I'll be showing you how to make a ponytail wig alongside with the full fringe. So using expression braid, I used half of expression braid. So if you want to know how I achieved this hairstyle, please stay tuned and don't go away. So I'll be using already made ponytail wig cap. If you want to know how you can do your achieve your own wig cap, I have a video which I'm gonna put up there or on the description box. So you go and check it out how you can do your own wig cap, a ponytail wig cap. So guys, after that, I'm going to use a bobby pin to hold it up on a dummy. Then I'll start crocheting in the hair. I use cotton 2 for the up pony, then cotton 5 for the fringes. So that's how I'll be crocheting it in till I fill it up or till it gets to the size which I want. So after then, we'll start going into the fringes. Well, though this video is self-explanatory, so let's keep on watching till we get to the fringes. So we're now on the fringes week. So guys, this is the remaining nets from where I got the one I used for the pony. So I'll be using it for these fringes. So I'm going to cut it in an angle form, after which I will then sew it all around before I'll start crocheting the hair small into it till I fill it up. So you crochet it small. You see how I sewed it all around too. Then you crochet it till you fill it up. When you fill it up, then we'll go into the rolling with rollers, then cutting it up. I didn't show where I sew in the pin, because I sewed in a pin on up and the two sides, so I'll be able to pin it on my hair so it will not pull out even if I'm on top of the bag. So I did that one off camera. So after you finish crocheting the hair in, just know that you're going to turn the back, then sew in pins that you use to hold it on your hair. So that's just it for this tutorial, guys. Let me just allow you to watch the ending part. Please don't forget to turn your notification bell on, say your mind on the comment box, and see you in my next video, guys. Keep on loving, keep on supporting, keep on coming back. I love you. Bye.
what we do here is go back.